Hello, my dear children, kids, students, learners, and friends. Good morning to you. You are most welcome to this channel, to this topic. Most welcome to this topic. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of vowels. Okay, dear. Here, vowel letter O, double O has been taken by me here. To be pronounced, this is now sound symbol of double O. Sound symbol of double O is O. O, short vowel. O, short vowel. Okay. O. And so according to O sound, so many words have been given here. Let us enjoy, let us learn the correct pronunciation. I mean, right pronunciation. I'll try my level best to pronounce correctly. Since I'm not native speaker of English, you are not native speaker of English, but we may learn, we may try to a greater extent to improve our pronunciation. Okay, dear. B-double-O-K, book. B-double-O-K, short, book in Hindi, book, likely H-double-O-K, hook, C-double-O-K, cook, H-double-O-D, hood, W-double-O-D, wood, G-O-double-O-D, good, C-double-O-K, cook, R-double-O-K, rook, N-double-O-K, nook, short vowel, short sound you may see in these words. The double O to be pronounced as O. Okay, short O. And here next double O, the same vowels pronouncing as O. Long vowel. Here you may find this long sound. You may find F-double-O-T, foot, O, B-double-O-T, boat, L-double-O-T, loot, W-double-O-L, wool, T-double-O-L, tool, and F-double-O-L, fool. So here now O sound, and here the same double O pronouncing as O, and the same double O pronounced as O. Here now short sound, here now long sound. Okay, dear, let us practice. Suggestion to you to practice more and more words from your text materials, from your lessons, from your textbook. Dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.